Well, our investment strategy really comes out of our operational experience and our investment experience. We have a long history of both operating in the payment space. Our founders were co-founders of the Bancorp, which played a role in the development of neobanks and prepaid cards as well. And we focus on those areas that we really understand, which are the evolution of financial technology in banks and outside of banks. What we're really excited about today is what we call embedded finance, because the opportunity, we've always been believers that people can be served better by specialists, lenders, and services, and the opportunity in a customer platform to actually finally embed products that actually make sense for the consumer is a tremendous opportunity. We're also very excited about all of the ways in which we think financial institutions will be able to reduce the cost of offering the financial services, which you have to remember is not insubstantial. First, of course, on the compliance side, where there are efficiencies really to be had, as well as all over the financial institutions, from corporate lenders all the way through mortgage lenders, all the way through depository services. So all of these things, ranging from AI to embedded finance to operational efficiencies and new payment platforms, we're extremely excited about. Right now, we're seeing overall lower credit demand in the economy, except among those non-prime consumers. So it's a time where, while the economy still continues to perform extremely well, mortgages are in less demand for obvious reasons. It's a lot better to have a 3% mortgage than an 8% mortgage. And the services that people want are the ones that suit them and move forward the platforms of the institutions. So what we're super excited about are bill payment platforms, new payment platforms, new way to interact with merchants. All of those things, we see incredible take-up and incredible opportunity in all of those spaces. Everything that we do is a little bit niche, and that's where we think the value is created outside of large financial institutions, and we're very focused on creating value for our investors. We have, for probably 25 years, played around with the ideas of SBICs. They require a lot of expertise. They require a lot of regulatory oversight. And the question is that if you're investing in the right technologies, do they really provide an appropriate leverage for the regulatory platform? So while we've been fascinated with them and the opportunity to invest through them for 25 years, we've never really done them. That having been said, if the right person, if it's the right format for the right person, certainly, we see SBICs as having good opportunities. Historically, they were easier for banks to invest in, depending upon particular regulatory periods. I don't think they're really all that much easier to invest in, and the track record of promoters of SBICs is somewhat problematic. Our outlook for 2024 is that banks continue to reduce costs substantially, and that they are looking for every opportunity to enhance revenue on the same product, as well as reduce those costs. So the types of companies that we've invested in, outsourcing in document processing and OCR and data input, other companies that help mortgage companies become more efficient, those are the types of things that we think are going to be exciting in 2024. Going forward, we see substantial adoption of machine learning platforms and continued adoption of artificial intelligence, which is not anything new in the financial services environment. But the opportunity that banks have to change the way that their customer interact through artificial intelligence is something that we see for the rest of the decade being an incredible trend, as well as banks changing the way that they underwrite using artificial intelligence. And not artificial intelligence that's not transparent, not some model that can't be decoded for better credit results, but simply for a higher level of efficiency and lower cost per application.